Kira here with another layout with my February 2021 hit kits. For this layout, I am using the Pocket Life kit and the embellishment kit, and then just some white cardstock from my stash. So this assignment, I was asked to kind of focus on circles. And so I took inspiration from the Pocket Life card you can see off to the left-hand side of your screen. There's Pocket Life card. It has all these colorful circles on it. And I took inspiration from that to use on my layout. So the little thing I kind of flipped through at the beginning with that Pocket Life card, that was actually a piece of a mini album I had made that I didn't end up really liking. But I really liked this one kind of little flippy thing I made. I don't really know how to describe that, but I really liked that part of it. So I wanted to keep that for my layout, and then just basically toss the rest of the mini album, which would probably horrify a lot of people. But I really liked that piece, so that stayed in for this layout. So this layout is going to be about my son Elliot. I always do a little birthday interview with my kids and document that in their scrapbook. So this is his birthday interview where I ask him little questions about himself. So the picture that you see that's layered up there is of him. So I've got a sticker layered on top of a Pocket Life card, which I trimmed down. And then underneath that, I've got some vellum, which has a sticker on top of it. And then underneath the vellum is his photo, which is layered on another Pocket Life card from the kits. So I took inspiration from the Circle Pocket Life card to create this cut file on Cricut Design Space. This is not something that needs to be done on a cutting machine. This can easily be done with a circle punch. But I just did 3 circles across and 4 circles down. I placed it lower on my paper since I knew I wanted to continue adding the journaling on top of the paper. And then I'm going to just go ahead and place a bunch of little embellishment clusters in those circles. So you can see that I've kind of grabbed the brads. They're decorative brads. They're more like enamel dots. And I placed those down there. But I also filled those up with the little circles they're the circles that are inside of the O's on that alpha sheet. So Pink Fresh Studio always leaves the little inner parts of their letters, and the little circles are almost like little enamel dots. So I use those a lot on my layouts. I think it's a really fun, it's like a little puffy sticker. So I added a couple of those in with the decorative brads. I'm taking all of the E's from the sticker, from the alpha sheet, which I know will horrify a lot of people. But since it's about Elliot, I wanted to take the E's and add those in there. I used some of the puffy stickers. So there's like some floral puffy stickers I used, but I also used some of the arrows along with one of the arrows from the die cut pack. The heart up top in the middle is a die cut that I just bumped up on some foam. The sticker up on top that I just placed is, they're these clear stickers, but they kind of look like mixed media. So it's kind of a fun way to add mixed media without actually getting messy, which is totally up my alley. And then these stickers are also clear stickers, and I'm just going to be placing those in one of the circles as well. And then this piece here that you see me messing with, this is actually part of the chipboard frames. So there was chipboard frames that were included, I believe, in the embellishment kit. And they were a little big, like they would be perfect for 12 by 12 scrapbookers, but they're a little big for me. So I just cut them all up so I could use them in my scrapbooking. So I cut up these little scallops, and I've been kind of using them as layering pieces and stuff. So I used one of those. Now I'm just going around and kind of erasing the circles so you couldn't see any of the pencil when I put the top sheet back on. And then I'm going to be adding some hand stitching. So I do a couple different things. I do some straight lines just right across one of the circles. I do some cross stitches on one of the circles, and then I do some French knots, and I do those in a variety of colors, but they're all colors that you see on that Pocket Life card. So it's like yellow and pink and red and blue, I believe, is all the colors I went with there. And I'm just punching my holes now. I use a tailor's awl to do my punching. So you can find this in like the sewing section of your craft store. And then the foam mat is from American Crafts. And I picked this up years ago, so I don't know if they still make anything like this, but it's been one of my most used items in my craft room. So it's perfect for punching these holes on paper if you're going to be doing any sort of hand stitching. I'm not going to include the hand stitching in this video just because it's kind of long and you guys don't really need to see that, but it's not, I didn't do anything perfect. It was kind of like messy and I wanted that look, so you'll see what it looks like here. And I just wanted a little pop of color and a little more texture added to my layout, so that worked out well. So I'm going to add some foam adhesive to the back of this page and bump it up, and voila, it's done. I'm going to have some close-ups here at the end, but if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. I am also on the Hip Kit blog today, so you can see more still photos on there and more details about the layout as well. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!